And no shovel. What the heck? What's you doing? Why do you keep folding up that rug? Come on. There we go. Ended up being nothing for snow. Basically nothing. Pretty fluffy. If you take care of it right away, it becomes less of a problem. Oh, I left my bike outside in the snow. Idiot. It's snowman snow. Just a quick path for the dogs. It's always cool when the snow does that. Kind of stays together. This is a joke. Ah, this is a total joke. Look at this. This is garbage. Prepped for nothing. Looks like I got little bastage marks though. Little bastages. See this? Look at this. This is a joke. Yep. Joke. Ain't gonna get worth starting the truck, but might as well. This is all gonna melt. Bye, sweetie.
Peter's gonna drive me just in case because he's not gonna work today. So.
Okay. All right.
All right.
Okay. Love you too.
Oh yeah.
What?
Goon.
What? Recording? Love you too. Big Black should start up right away. Happy truck. Get that heat cranking. Not recommended. Don't do this with your shovel, especially like on your paint. On your windshield, it's fine, but do not use your snow shovel on your vehicle's paint. Still spitting. What a waste of time. So this is typical, man. This is typical of New England. You get like a weather forecast that's talking about snow and ends up being a total joke, dude. I mean, look at this. You can see here's what we got for snow. Okay? Up to my just past my knuckle. What a joke. Mother Nature playing games as usual. Total joke. Total joke. GoPro on. So what I'm gonna do is do the screen record. I'm gonna that way you can hear my voice. Yeah, guy. You couldn't see me anyway. So going to the quick. It should work this way. Camera. Control my GoPro. Hopefully it works. You should get a preview. It should pause. There we go. Device to use. There we go. Should connect right up. Connection successful. Ready to capture. So there we go. There's the preview you get. So you can hear my voice at the same time while I am plowing in my own driveway. Because I ain't going anywhere. This is a total waste of time storm. Total. I end up wasting more fuel than anything. So what I'll do first is I will do a slight angled push. So I'll angle the plow. Lift it up a touch. Angle it over. Let it drop. Throw it in drive. Not even going to use four-wheel drive. Well, actually, I might have to. I got to use four-wheel drive just to get out of here. Basically the extent. Look at that, huh? No scalping of grass. Looks like I've done this like a couple times. Although I did leave a little trail on the right-hand side there, but you know what? What a joke, dude. Can't believe I came out with my plow. I just said I was going to give plow content. So it's like, alright, fine. Plow content. Ooh. So that's it, dude. That's it. 2 swipes. 2 swipes when I get to park the truck because this is a complete waste of time. Gotta laugh, man. That was a total waste of time, man. What a joke. All right, that's it. See? You get the, see if I can show you the screen. See what this does, see? See what it does? See the delay? The never-ending screen of snow. Just listen to the spring birds, dude. They're flipping out. Those are spring bird noises. You hear that? That's springtime noises with birds. They are freaking out. So I'll let the puppies out now anyway. Make myself some coffee. Puppies, you want to come out? You want to come out, puppies? Oh, I left my coffee in my truck anyway. Daisy, you want to? Haley, you want to come out? Good. You want to go up? Oh, Haley. Go ahead. Come. Hey, look at Haley. Look at Gremlin over there. She's like, I ain't coming out. Look at her. She's like, nope. No thanks. She'll wait for me. Springtime bird noises. Now what did I do with the shovel? I lean it up again. What did I do with the shovel? Am I losing it? I didn't put the shovel in the truck. The heck? What the heck did I do with the shovel? Where's the shovel? What did I do with it? Oh man, dude, I'm losing my mind. What did I do with the shovel? I got a habit, I put the shovel in the truck. Did I actually do that? No? What did I do with the shovel? I know I had it out here. Would I plow it? Did I plow the shovel? Oh my god, dude, did I plow the shovel? It's a possibility. I might have plowed the shovel. Oh, don't even tell me I plowed the shovel. Dude, I don't know where it is. What the hell? Did I plow the shovel? I'm seriously thinking I did. Dude, I gotta go check the snow pile. Did I plow the shovel? Got a car coming down the driveway. Run me over. Watch, I'm gonna find a shovel in that snow pile. I could have. I totally could have. Is there a shovel in it? Oh my god. Well, if there is, oh, is that it? Nope. Dude, what did I do with the shovel? Do I literally have to like play back my footage to find out where I put the shovel? Like serious. Where's the shovel? Dude, it must be in that snow pile. I ain't gonna find it. Crap. What you doing? Huh? What you doing? Hey, you're all happy. Huh? No boundaries, huh? Well, at least what I can do is clear off her car. Look at all this. It's already slop. What a waste. Dude, seriously. Where is the shovel? I had to have plowed it. Oh my god, where's my mind? Hey, it's happened before. I wouldn't put it past me. There's a shovel there, but that ain't the shovel I'm looking for. Dang. I must have plowed the shovel. Alright, so with this car, 2017 Honda CRV, press the lock button, press and hold the little kind of circle thing, automatically starts. Now, I gotta grab her snow brush, which is right here. Brush off her car. How to brush off. Hey Earl, this is an instructional video for you. For when California starts getting snow, you'll know how to properly brush off a vehicle that you leave outside, because not every vehicle you've got is in your garage, because you can only fit one. Even though you've got a damn 2-car garage, it's a Cali 2-car garage though. I don't know what the heck. California 2-car garage, man, you can barely fit anything. So you start from the top, Earl, and you work your way down to the bottom. That's how you do it. It's the proper way. And at least in the state of Massachusetts, you have to remove the snow from the top of your vehicle, because if you don't, you can get a fine for having snow on your vehicle. I don't know if that's everywhere. Dude, I'm still perplexed about the damn thing there, the shovel. Maybe I brought it inside. Anything's possible. So you start high and then work yourself down low, just like that. With these cars, I don't think this car was designed to be in the snow, because of the way the snow gets trapped in the cowl. Bad design. I'm still wondering where the shovel is. Dude, I can't believe it. I must have plowed it. I'll probably find it in the footage. I'll see like, oh dude, there it is, getting crushed. Good enough. Bang it off on something, retract, and then put it in the back for later use. I should clear off Jaguar too. Jaguar doesn't have an auto start. I'll plug the truck back in just to keep the block nice and warm. on these diesel trucks, some of them, most of them, if not all of them, have a block heater. If it was an option and you didn't get it and you lived in cold climate, man, you're hurting your vehicle. But I suppose I should clean off Jaguar. Guess I should use my wife's thing there, because I don't think Jaguar has got one. I just don't want snow anymore, man. I'm tired of it. Oh. What you got? Daisy, what you got? What you got? What you got? Yeah, this is definitely snowman snow. She's like, what'd you do that for? Push it off onto the other side. I guess we got like 1.5 inches, maybe 2. Looks like 1.5 inches. It's almost like it gets a bath. It's a frozen bath. Jaguar is getting a frozen bath. Look at that, huh? Right off. Jaguar is getting a wash job. Look at that. Wash job for Jaguar. Of course I'm going to take Jaguar. Jaguar is going for a ride today. Good enough. I'm really wondering, dude, I gotta know. What did I do with the snow shovel? Inquiring minds want to know. My inquiring mind wants to know. Alright. Good enough. Daisy might be out back. Maybe I brought the snow shovel inside. Why would I do that though? Look at you waiting right at the door. What a good girl. Come on. I don't see the snow shovel. I must have plowed it. No, that was a good one too. I can't leave it alone. I have to go investigate to see if I did what I think I did. I think I left the shovel up against the blade. And I'm gonna use the excuse of YouTube that I most likely was distracted. And that definitely happens. So let's see if we can go find a snow shovel in that pile of snow over there. Dude, it's gotta be in this pile. Oh, it would be on the bottom too. All right, nothing there. Dude, what did I do with the snow shovel? This doesn't make any sense. No, I guess I didn't. Dude, what did I do with the snow shovel? Seriously. Because it's not here. Yeah, it's definitely not. What the hell? How's this even possible? Oh, it's definitely not. Alright. Nope. I'm pretty sure I thought the shovel I used was a blue handled shovel. Or a blue, not handled, blue bladed shovel. Maybe it was that one. Losing my mind, man. What the heck? The lost shovel. Because I usually have a ton of shovels. For when I go plowing, I usually take a couple with me. If I've got a guy with me, he'll man the shovel. And obviously I will stay nice and warm in my truck. Just kidding. I get my butt out of my own truck. I'm not that kind of guy. Look at that. Huh? Dude. Seriously, where's my snow shovels now? We haven't needed snow shovels, so they're probably in the garage. But where's the blue one? I always use the blue one. And I know there's a blue one out there. Check the garage. See if there's a shovel in here. Ready? OCDers? Feast your eyes on this. There's a blue shovel right there. That's probably the one that I've been using. And there's another one there. Alright, never mind. I am obviously just losing my mind, man, because I don't even know what shovel I had in my hand.